Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and this is Samira Dilshad Sasagal. So today we are going to solve a picoCTF problem that is with a super serial. So if we enter into this, we can see that the description is saying that try to recover the flag stored on this website. So we need to recover the flag on this website. So let's go to this website and let's clear the cookies first. Okay, and now first we need to see the hint. So the hint is saying that the flag is at dot dot slash flag. So we will try to exploit using this location. So let's go here and let's enter the username, the password, and click on sign in. And it is showing invalid login. So we will go to Burp Suite and see what we can do with this. So let's check on the HTTP request. So this is the request that we get. So we will take the request to repeater, and from here we will try to exploit this. So this is the request we got. So let's put the file location, that is dot dot slash flag, here and see if it work or not. So let's send it to the, and the request and the response is not found, so it's not working. So we need to find out another way. So let's go to robots.txt first and see if we can find anything from there or not. Robots.txt, and here we can see a disallow admin.php. So what we can do is that we can take this one and oh sorry, okay, we can take this one and put this here, admin dot phps, and see what happens. Okay, see what happens. Okay, so this is also not found, but from here we can get a hint that the file extension can be phps, right? So we have index .php, we got that from other page, and we have admin.phps. So let's enter into index.phps. Let's try to enter it. So we hit the enter, and yes, we can enter there. And now we will go to Burpsuite and see what we can find out from there. So let's find out the index.php request. That this is the request. Let's send it to the repeater. Here is the repeater, and now we will send this and see what we find out. So here we find out the PHP code. So this is a good one. So from this we can find something like what the code is saying. So this is like here we can see that it is sending a request to cookie.php, and then uh, storing this to username and password, and parm res is storing the permission functions, like we had called the permission functions here. The permission function has been called here, and the parameter is username and password, and this has been stored here. And this and here we checked, here they have checked that it is a guest or admin, and if and the cookie has been set as login, and this parm res has been sent here and serialized and encoded using base 64. So this is a good thing that we can exploit. Like we have the login cookie, and we will try to find the value of this and see if it works or not. Okay, then again the location has been sent to authentication.php. So from here we get another thing, that is two location, that is cookie.php and other is authentication.php. So let's see we can enter into these two page or not. So let's first go on the proxy, keep the intercept on, and try to okay, let's take the page on this panel. Okay, let's go here and let's see if we can enter to cookie.php. Okay, so here we have got the request for cookie.php, and now we will send it to the repeater again, and we will send the request and try to figure out if there anything we can find it from here. So here we can see that permission class that we saw in this index file, like this permission class, the class was not defined in this file, but this has been defined here. So we can find something from here. So the username and password has been passed here and stored here, and a function has been called, and okay, so this is something. Okay, and admin user form. Okay, and it here the cookie has again been set and decoded. The there the cookie has been encoded, like here the cookie has been encoded, but the cookie has been decoded, like the value of the cookie has been encoded here. So this is a good thing again. So let's again go to authentication page. Let's see if we can find in code from there or not. So let's go to authentication phps. Okay, we again go to proxy, forwarding the request, and this is my request that I want. Now I'll send the request to this page, and let's see what's happened. Okay, so this is my authentication request. For this I'm getting the response, and this is the response, and here again I'm getting a PHP code, and this is something that is essential for me, a class access log. So here the function toString is being called, and they're returning a log file, and this is very important for me. So let's take this and see if I can find the value from here or not. So let's copy this and put this here and type echo. I want to serialize it, so serialize. I want a new access access log, and uh, here I can give the location, so dot slash flag, and see. This is a okay, this should be in a quotation mark. Okay, so let's see if it works or not. So let's run this. Oh, I keep the proxy on, sorry, so I need to keep the proxy on. Okay, this is not working for some reason. Serialize new access log. Okay, let's again run this. um okay, maybe, oh, here I have kept. Okay, again I will run this and see. Okay, I got value from here. So I will take the value and I will try to decode this value. So I will take it to the decoder. I will put the value here, and I will decode it as base 64, encode it as base 64, and okay, so yes, I got a value from here. So this is what I want actually. So let's go to the page again. So now I will go to this page, authentication, and my sorry, so my page was basically authentication.php. I will go to that page now, authentication.php, and I will set the cookie to, my cookie was login. I saw it from the repeater, right? So I will set the cookie to login. So I will add a cookie named login and enter the value that I got from here and add this, and I will hit the refresh button, and yes, I got the picoCTF, I mean the flag. So I will take the flag from here and enter this flag here and see, and maybe it will work. So let's see. Yes, so we just solved this problem, and that's all from today. Thank you so much.